everyone, welcome to the third video of today, and as you will notice, it's the shortest video so far, and the reason is when I was filming it I was feeling how my energy levels were dropping slowly but surely, so hence I went for something what I felt was easy for me to do. And these are the roses that are actually really simple to do. They're more of a whimsical style, so you just start with a line if you just look there carefully, and you create almost like triangles that are connected from one petal to the other. And that's it. Very, very easy, very simple. And then as always, the doodling in the middle of the rose right there. So today, funnily enough, the colors that I chose to work with, they are actually really vibrant and really happy colors for me, so I'm quite happy that I went for those colors. We'll look at that in a minute. So there I am, all in real time, all very easy and simple to do. So the composition will be fairly simple as well, and it will have a few leaves and a few of my doodle whimsical flowers that are included in the ephemera packs. So I'll try to link up a video here if you haven't seen my ephemera packs yet that are available on Etsy. So you'll see what I mean in a minute. A few more leaves there, and it's just a nice little cluster. I was actually quite keen to leave it as it is, but I thought in the nature of the style that I have been doing everything else, something else had to go there, so there we go. So these are elongated little pots, and they're really easy to do, and you can change the shapes. I've done similar things already in the previous illustrations where I made some of them more rounded, some of them shorter, and yeah, they're really cute, inspired by nature. So then again, the little beads, just to add a little texture to the piece, and it sort of looks more doodly in my opinion and more stylized. This actually looks really nice black and white, just like that, just as a drawing, but the colors I'm going for today are this gorgeous turquoise. It's Ultramarine Turquoise by Daniel Smith. I'm just going to open my little palette with the cheat sheet and yeah, it's a gorgeous color. I have no idea why I stopped using it and why I forgot about it. I mean, look at it, it's just so luminous and it's just so vibrant and gorgeous. Being a total lover of all things turquoise and teal and, you know, all of that shebang, I absolutely have no idea why and where is the tube, because I know I bought a tube and I squeezed it out into this little half pan. Where is the tube so I can start using it in my other palettes as well? I think I would definitely include it in my new palette that I'm thinking of putting together. It's gorgeous. Okay, so for the second color I'm going for the Quin Gold from the same palette, and it's a gorgeous orange, more of a kind of neutral orange, it doesn't scream too much. And again, I didn't want to have it too bright green, so not the Daniel Smith Green Gold, but the QoR Green Gold, because it's more muted, and I thought because the turquoise is already so bright and vivid, I didn't want another color to be, you know, grabbing the attention. So there I am, teaming it up with a slightly more muted Green Gold by QoR. Very simple, pretty much done. And yeah, I mean, how long did that take? 5 minutes? Yeah. Very, very simple. So if you have colors that you love, colors that sit well together but separately without mixing, gorgeous. I mean, try mixing them if you want, but it's sort of fail and trial, whatever it's called. You never know what's going to come out. I did it with the Mayan blue and the green gold, I think, and I didn't like how that came out. So yeah, I like the colors to be nice and separate, and then just adding a little bit of this Schmincke gold, and that's it. Just going to add a little bit now here, making sure I'm adding the turquoise, ultramarine turquoise, without touching the Quin gold. By the way, everything is always linked down below, so you can check everything out there. And yeah, so I'm trying to leave those two colors separate there because I didn't want to create a green there, and I like the colors as they are. That's it. I'm going to stamp the date, I'm going to dry it a little bit and show you some close-ups, nice and sweet and short. And tomorrow hopefully I'll have more energy and the videos will be a little bit longer, just a few minutes. But yeah, so that's it, and thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.